Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter Respective Regional Differences. Let's proceed ahead. Students, as we all know, India is a large country extending from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Arunachal to Ankleshwar. Variety of climatic conditions, soils, irrigation methods, cultural and religious backgrounds symbolize diversity in various fields. If you try to observe the food habit of people, the clothes that they wear, and work they do in different parts of the country, you will clearly notice the variety and diversity of different regions. Even within a region, the lifestyle is very much different in rural and urban areas. It is because the lifestyle of the people is directly related to their physical surroundings. Now, I am going to share a story that is given in your book so that you can easily understand about respecting regional differences. This is a map of Punjab. In Bhopur district of Punjab, people belonging to different castes and religions live in harmony. There are no sign of any discrimination among different communities. They speak different languages like Punjabi, Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri, etc. They celebrate many festivals together like Deepavali, Holi, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, etc. People wear different types of dresses. The women wear salwar kameez, sarees and lahanga choli. The men wear kurta pajama, tehmad, kameez, salwar kameez or pant shirt. Most people here are vegetarians, but they respect those who enjoy non-vegetarian food. Like Bhopur district of Punjab, we can observe the same type of things in all over India, including our surroundings. People living in different regions of our country have different food habits, dresses, languages, religions, customs and traditions. The food habit of the people of a region depend upon the location, climate and crops grown. For example, rice is cultivated widely in South India, hence rice is the staple diet of people there. They cook an amazing variety of rice dishes like dosa, idli, uttapam, etc. Similarly, almonds and kesar grow in Kashmir and therefore form an important ingredient of many Kashmiri dishes. The understanding and respect for the food habits, languages, culture, faith and beliefs of others have made Indian culture rich and unique. So, in this chapter, we will explore Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Rajasthan to highlight the great diversity in Indian culture. Students, the culture and tradition of Andaman and Nicobar Islands we will discuss in next class. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.